You will not replaced by AI, but you will be replaced by someone who is using AI better than you. Watch this tutorial and see how AI can help us and make you a better designer. Let me show you how to create this post using AI. Yes, you heard that right. We're using AI tools to make this post. Step 1. Write your content. You can either draft it yourself or copy it from a blog, book, or any source. Step 2. Copy the text and paste it into ChatGPT. Use a prompt to simplify your content. Once you're happy with the text, it's time to generate visuals. Here's the prompt. Copy it and head over to Ideogram AI to generate visuals. I like this image, but we need to remove the background using remove.bg. We can also sharpen it. To sharpen it, bring it into Photoshop and apply the sharpen effect. Now, we'll design the final concept. I'm using Figma, but you can use any design software. Let's get started. And that's how you can use AI to streamline your workflow and create amazing designs faster. Thank you for watching. Follow for more tips.